view. It's Sunday. We're not sure what the time is because of the clock's gone back. So we don't know if it's 5:45, 6:45, 7:45. But
not 5:45.
it could be. I don't know. If it's 6:45 gone back. I don't know what time it is. But it's quite rough. It's been like that all night. Like you're being rocked. It's not been bad. It's been really good sleep. Very quiet. So first night, it's a success. We've enjoyed it. Go and have a cup of tea now. Okay. No, don't see me. I can't see anything. It's a sea day. It's a wobbly sea day. It's very windy, I don't know if you can tell. We've just got some seats, we've had breakfast, we've got some seats. It smells fried onions where I'm sitting. It's alright. This is where we are. Right. We're right at the top.
That's a gluten-free pizza today.
It's beautiful actually.
Cooked especially for you.
Had to wait about half an hour because
Everyone else has got 2 slices of that. Claire's got a whole pizza.
It's alright.
Special needs. The view from where she's eating.
So the first one they did was pepperoni, so I had to go back and wait all over again.
You doing it?
No, it was good. Just had a big fat pizza. And this is where we are now. Good evening. It's about 9. We've had to come back to the room. It's very rocky, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. So Gaz has brought his pint back up to the room, and I want to get my pyjamas on and have a seasick tablet, I think.
I'm going to prepare to die.
So see you in the morning. Day 2 completed. It's Wednesday, I was going to say, it's Tuesday, it's another sea day, so not much filming today because there's nothing going to happen. We'll be walking around looking for sunbeds, eating and drinking tea, I do suppose. If we can get a chance to swim we will, but there's children on board, so I think they prefer the swimming pool to the adults. They have so much fun. So that's it, that's Wednesday. Taylor Swift's on the radio. Welcome everyone. Oh, are you ready for the view? Still on Tuesday, we have found a deck that the lifeboards boys' boats are on, but there's a thing that you walk a mile around the deck, so we're going to do that. So this is it. There's the boats. Yeah, I'll talk a lot. And there's one of the gates opening where you get into a boat, and then the next one is just there, and there's steps and there's lockers with the life vests in. But we can walk a mile along this bit. We feel like we're on a proper boat now, don't we, guys?
Yeah, this ain't no.
Because it's got this bit. We've got lost again a few times this morning, but I managed to run some lip seal. This is it. We're at the back of the boat now. We're on the other side of the ship now. Sunshine, the sunshine side. So you can feel the heat because I was a bit cold at the back. I've got these on. I had to buy it because I thought my glasses were going to come off because of, you know, Love of My Life 2.2. Just stretching them.
How is this on the ship? How is this on the ship?
I don't know.
It's you did the same?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the knee.
Okay, we've made it settle down. We've watched the dancers. That was fun, but Gary won't remember the steps, so we didn't do that. It's the only reason. Anyway, settled down on that deck, wherever we are, found our way back, and this is our boat. Don't be jealous.
This is how hot it is today. Claire's got a glass of water.
Look at the water. It is water, it's not ale.
It's absolutely boiling. Scorchio. This mate is warm. Shouldn't complain though, should we?
Right, we've got a lovely little bit of room service going on. Would you like to,
There you go.
what's the word I'm trying to find? Yes, let's have a see what we've got. Unbox. Would you like to do the unveil? Would you like to unveil? Okay, let's use this one. Could possibly be for.
And I've just got some chips.
And sauce, first time I've seen it. And not
Right, and I've put the card down. And
cup
I've put
tea.
it.
Nice view. We're all melting. Enjoy.
Oh, that's cold. Feel that.